Hi guys, it's Karelle and welcome back to my YouTube channel, or welcome if you're new here. I'm back with another Walmart summer haul and I have so many items to share with you guys from Free Assembly, Terra and Sky, and Sofia Vergara. And I've been loving the Sofia Vergara summer collection because it is size inclusive. So I have lots of items to share with you guys from that collection. I'm gonna have everything linked in the description box for you guys to shop. But before we get started, if you're new here, please consider hitting the subscribe button down below and follow me on all my social media. I'm starting with this Free Assembly eyelet dress, and I want to say this is my absolute favorite dress from this haul. I'm wearing a 2XL and the price is $36. It is available in white and black, but I'm wearing it here in this color they're calling Red Alert. It looks orange to me. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. Also, this year for their summer collection, Free Assembly only went up to a 2XL instead of their typical 3XL. So I'm surprised this dress actually fits me. It features a square neckline and it does have the bra friendly tank strap, sleeveless of course, and it has a smocking panel in the back, so it has a lot of give in the bust area. It has this beautiful oversized eyelet detail throughout, and it is lined underneath, so you don't have to worry about this dress being see-through. It also has two side seam pockets and it is a fit and flare hem, and it's a midi length on me. You could go ahead and style this with sneakers. You could wear it with your favorite heels or sandals. You could dress it up or dress it down. And if you're not comfortable showing your arm, you could go ahead and add a white tee underneath this dress or style it with your favorite denim jacket for the spring season. I just absolutely love this dress. I'm definitely gonna pick it up in white and black for my summer vacation. It's just so beautiful and so well made. I am wearing a 3X in this Sofia Vergara ruffle top and the price is $22. It's only available in this color that I'm wearing, Red Alert, and this is just such a beautiful color. What I love about the Sofia Vergara line, most of the items are available in plus sizes 1X to 5X. That's such a wide range for size selection. This top features a square neckline and it does have a very stretchy strap. I was able to wear my regular bra with this top also, which is always a major plus. The sleeves on this is a flutter sleeve and it has this beautiful double layer ruffle detail going all the way around. In the back of this top, it has a broad stretchy panel. It's very stretchy in the bust area. I actually could have sized down to maybe a 2X or 1X in this top because the sleeves they kept falling off, so keep that in mind if we're about the same size. It has this beautiful embroidery detail throughout, and in the back of this top it has this beautiful ruffle detail at the hem. You could go ahead and style this with jeans, or you could wear this with the matching skirt, which is sold separately, and I'm going to share that with you guys next. I styled that ruffled top with the matching embroidery skirt from Sofia Vergara. I'm wearing a 2X and the price is $24, and I could have sized down to a 1X in this also because even though it doesn't have any stretch in the front, it has a lot of stretch in the back. It features the elasticized panel in the back, so it's very stretchy, so keep that in mind. It also has two side seam pockets and it has this beautiful embroidery detail all throughout, just like the top, and it's online but definitely not see-through, and it features a tiered layer with a ruffled hem. You could go ahead and style this with the matching top, but you could also style this with a white tank top or white tee, dress it up with your favorite heels or sandals, or you could definitely wear this with sneakers. This is just such a beautiful skirt. I'm not usually a skirt fan, but I do love the way this one fits me and I highly recommend this entire set. I am wearing a 2X in this tie front embroidery maxi dress from Sofia Vergara and the price is $32. It is available in a green floral print under a different link, so I'm gonna link it down below just in case you guys are not a fan of this bold red color. It features this beautiful sweetheart neckline and it does have adjustable strap and a smocking panel in the back. It also has the tie front detail, and then we have the keyhole underneath the bust area, and I feel like the tie front covers the bust area just in case you don't want to show your bust. It's very flowy throughout and it's a 100% polyester material, so it's very lightweight. It is online but definitely not see-through, and it features two side seam pockets. I absolutely love the embroidery detail throughout on this dress also, and it has a tiered layer with a ruffled hem, and this is a maxi length. You could go ahead and style this with your favorite sneakers, sandals, or heels, and you could also add a tee underneath underneath it also. If you don't want to show your arm, you could definitely dress this up or dress this down. I am wearing a 2X in this Sofia Vergara off the shoulder maxi dress, and the price is $26. It's also available in black and red, but I'm wearing it here in this beautiful lavender floral print. It features a off the shoulder neckline, and it does have a stretchy panel in the neckline, so this could be worn on the shoulder or off the shoulder. And it features this beautiful flutter sleeve which has a double layer of ruffles going all the way around. It also has a very stretchy waistline, and this meets me just below my bust area. The material on this is a polyester spandex material, and it has a creped textured finish. I love that it has two side seam pockets, and it's online but definitely not see-through, and it has a tiered layer with a ruffled hem. This is a maxi length on me. You could go ahead and style this maxi dress with your favorite sandals or sneakers, or you could dress it up for a summer wedding guest outfit. You could add your favorite heels and a clutch, and I think that will look perfect also. This is just such a beautiful dress, and it's already selling out, so if you're interested in this dress, definitely grab it before it's sold out. I am wearing a 2XL in this free assembly tank dress, and the price is $26. It's also available in white and green, and I did want the green color, but that one sold out so quickly, so I have it here in black. And you could never go wrong with a black dress for the spring and summer. It has a higher rounded neckline, and it does have the bra friendly tank strap, and I was able to wear my regular bra with this dress. It's sleeveless and it's pretty plain in the back, but throughout it does have the ribbed fabric, and it does have a side zipper to the side. It has a very stretchy waistline, and it does feature two side seam pocket, and the skirt on this is 100% cotton, and it is lined, and it's a fit and flare skirt. The tank top is more of a ribbed fabric, and it is a cotton spandex blend. This is very flowy throughout, and it does have a slit at the side. It's not in the front, the slit is at the side, which I feel like is such a weird position, but overall this is a super cute dress which you could dress up or dress down. Next up is this free assembly halter dress. I'm wearing a 2XL, and the price is $36. I'm wearing it here in black, but it's also available in one additional print. It features a square neckline, and at the neckline it has two adjustable string which you could use to create a halter neckline, but I don't like the look of that, so I went ahead and just tied and created a bow in front. It has a ruching detail in the bust area, and it does have a keyhole detail, and the sleeves on this is very stretchy, and it has an oversized puff sleeve also which has an elasticized cuff. In the back of this dress it has a smocking panel, and also has a zipper panel halfway down. It's very flowy throughout, and it has two side seam pockets. The material on this is a cotton material, and it's very textured also. It's the type of material you don't have to worry about ironing. It's very flowy throughout, and it's online but definitely not see-through. I think I did style this with heels in this haul, but you could go ahead and style this with sandals or sneakers. You could definitely dress it up or dress it down. Tank dresses are very on trend for summer. I've seen them at Walmart, Target, and Old Navy. This one I'm wearing is from Terra and Sky. I'm wearing a 2X, and the price is $19.98. It is available in white, black, and pink, but I'm wearing it here in this beautiful shade of green, which I feel like it's perfect for summer. It features a higher scoop neckline, and it does have the bra friendly tank strap, so I was able to wear my regular bra with this dress. It's very roomy underneath the arm, guys, so I definitely could have sized down to the 1X in this dress. It's very stretchy in the waistline, and it has a cotton material for the skirt. It features two side seam pockets. It's very flowy throughout. It's online but not see-through, and at the end of this dress there is a tiered layer, and it has this beautiful eyelet detail throughout, and it does have a scallop hem. This is about a maxi length on me, but I was able to just wear sandals with it. Not too long, definitely. You could dress it up with some heels also, and you could add a denim jacket over it for the current spring weather. Next up is this Terra and Sky maxi dress. I'm wearing a 2X, and the price is $27.98. I'm wearing it here in this stripe print, but it is available in 3 additional colors. It features a square neckline, and it does have thicker straps, and it does have a adjustment in the back. These are buttons. I see that Walmart is using buttons to adjust the straps for a lot of their dresses. It also has a smocking panel in the back, and it is sleeveless, but don't be fooled by this strap, guys. Just because it's thicker, you're still gonna need a half bra because of the position position of the straps, my bra was showing, so I did need to put on my half bra. It's very flowy throughout the stomach area, and it does have two side seam pockets. It's online but definitely not see-through, and this is a linen blend fabric. It has a tiered layer with a ruffled hem, and this is just such a flowy dress. It's gonna be perfect for the upcoming warm weather. It's very breathable. This linen blend top is from Sofia Vergara. I'm wearing a 3X and the price is $22. It's available in a cream print also, but it's under a separate link, so I'm gonna link that down below for you guys. I'm wearing it here in this beautiful mauve floral print, and I absolutely love the print on this top. It features a collared neckline. It has functional buttons going all the way down, and it does have two oversized large cargo pockets at the chest, long sleeve which has a button cuff. The material on this is a linen blend material, and it's a medium weight, and it has a longer shirt tail hem, and it also features a tie front detail in front. I'm not too sure about this top because it's long sleeve and a little bit heavy. I think for summertime, I feel like this would have been more perfect for spring, or I just wish they made this short sleeve. This would have been just perfect. Overall, this is a cute top. I definitely could have sized down one size because it's a little bit oversized on me, but I'm not too sure about it. I styled that Sofia Vergara top with the matching linen blend shorts, which is sold separately. I'm wearing a 3X and the price is $20. It's also available in the cream color, which I'm gonna link for you guys. It features a paper bag waist, and it does have a very stretchy panel in the back. It comes with a hook and bar closure, and it does have a zip fly, two side slant pockets, and it has a belt, and the belt on this is the O belt, which I always have such a hard time closing, so keep that in mind if you have the same issue also. It's a medium weight shorts, and the length on this is 4.75, so it's not too short, which is perfect. I definitely could have sized down to the 2X in this shorts because it's a little bit oversized on me. I love this shorts. I'm just not too sure about the matching top. I think I'm gonna return the shorts and get it in a smaller size, and I'll wear it with something else. Next up is this peplum top from Sofia Vergara. I'm wearing a 3XL and the price is $22. It's also available in white and black, but I'm wearing it here in this beautiful floral print. It features a V neckline, and it does have a full wrap detail at the neckline. And guys, my breasts were on full display, so if you don't like to show your breasts, you could definitely add a tank top underneath this. The sleeve is 3/4 length, and it does have ruffles going around the sleeve, and it's very stretchy in the waistline, and of course it has the peplum hem. This is a polyester material, so it's very lightweight and breathable, perfect for summer, and it's also lined underneath, so you don't have to worry about this being see-through. What I wish they did was make the hem of this a little bit longer, so because it's this short, it actually makes my tummy like stick out. So if you don't like your tummy showing, you might want to pass on this top. Overall, I think this is just such a cute top. You could style it with jeans, you could wear it with skirt, you could wear it with your favorite shorts. You could definitely dress it up or dress it down. I styled that peplum top with this Sofia Vergara super high-rise jeans. I'm wearing a size 20 woman, and the price is $29.50, and I have it here in the medium wash. And guys, I just had a good chuckle because I used to think that the W mean wide. So when I just started doing hauls on my YouTube channel, I used to be like 20 wide, and someone said in the comment, oh, the W means woman. I don't think they would be calling us wide. So that's just funny to me. This jeans is a super high rise, and it does have a very stretchy waistline. It has a button closure and a zip fly, 5 pocket styling. So there's pockets in the front and pockets in the back, and it has light distressing throughout, but not too much. It also has a lighter wash throughout, and this is a straight leg jeans, and the inseam on this is 29.5 inches. It meets me about at my ankle. You could go ahead and dress this up with your favorite top, add a heel or sneakers, and you'll have the perfect summer outfit. I am wearing a 3X in this double-breasted blazer from Sofia Vergara, and the price is $40. I'm wearing it here in lavender, but it's also available in a color they're calling Whisper White. It has a collared neckline, 3/4 length sleeve, and it is a rolled cuff, and you cannot unroll it. Like, this is the style, so keep that in mind. It has a double-breasted closure in front, and it it does have two functional flap pockets, and this is a good long length. It's lined also, and I wanted to mention that this blazer has padding in the shoulder, so if you're not a fan of the padding, you should skip this blazer, or maybe you could remove it if you want to make this functional for you. Overall, I think this is just such a cute blazer, but it's a little bit oversized on me, so I'm gonna return it and purchase this in the 2X because I feel like this is just such a versatile blazer. You could go ahead and style it with a denim, you could wear it with shorts, you could also wear it with that linen blend shorts that I showed you guys earlier. This is just such a versatile blazer and I highly recommend it. I am wearing a size 20 in these Sofia Vergara wide leg trousers, and the price is $26.50. It is available in 3 additional colors. I'm wearing it here in this chambray color. It has a very stretchy panel in the back but not much stretch in the front, and it does have a hook closure and a zip fly. And guys, I could not get this to close in the waist. Everything else fit except I just couldn't close it. This is cut very small and this is the biggest size they have, and I'm so disappointed because this is just so cute. It does have 2 side seam pocket and it's very flowy throughout, and this is a 32-inch inseam, so it's very long and it does have a wide hem. If you guys are smaller than me, I highly recommend this because it's just so cute. I wish they made these in plus sizes. I also picked up the Sofia Vergara wide leg trousers in the dark chocolate, and this one did not fit also. I'm so disappointed. So if you guys are smaller than me, definitely pick these up because they're just so cute. I also wanted to let you guys know that that time and true eyelet dress that I shared in my last Walmart haul that didn't fit is now available in plus sizes. I just love that time and true is adding plus sizes to a lot of their dresses, so I'm gonna link it down below. I'm also gonna purchase it in the 2X to share it in my next Walmart haul because I'm sure it will sell out very quickly, so I wanted you guys to know also so you could get ahead of the game. I also wanted to share my earrings. They're from Time and True and they're gold tone textured earring, and I love that these hoops are not too big. They're $3.88. I'm gonna have them linked down below also for you guys to shop. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and comment down below which pieces were your favorite. I'll be posting a Target haul next week, so be on the lookout for that. And if you're not following me on the Like to Know It app, go ahead and give me a follow over there. I do post new arrivals, restock alert, outfit ideas, and so much more. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.